I took the supermarket flyers from the windowsill. I threw the day-old tea from the cup. Packed up the photo album Matthew had made, memories of a life that's been loved. Took the get well soon cars and stuffed animals. Poured the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mum, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. When God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. I fluffed the pillows, made the bed, stacked the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John said he'd drive, then put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go. And when God takes you back, He'll say hallelujah, you're home. Hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. You got to see the person I have become. Spread your wings and I know that when God took you back, He said hallelujah, you're home.
He's a kind of a friend na he will always be there for you. But he is the type of person that if you did something wrong, he won't tolerate.
Ang iyong kandila, init ay wala. Hindi ba pangako?
Alam mo kung gaano kita kamahal, pero you'll always be here in my heart.
Ingatan, baka naman sa susunod na habang buhay.
I know we love Maxine so much.
the sight of love. Hold my hand and have no fear. 'Cause
po yung pangalan na kapatid na yung tapos na nagpapasalamat po sa inyo sa mga kapamilya po, especially po sa mga friend ni Dixon na todo suporta.
Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas!
I will listen and I will be here when the laughter turns to crying, through the winning, losing and trying, we'll be together.
Kumakain tayo, pero so wala naman talaga yung hindi ko talaga sa maraming salamat po sa pagpunta niyo sa tulong niyo po talaga. So maraming salamat po.
tomorrow morning, if you wake up and the future is unclear, I will be here. Sure, seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. So I will be here.
I will be here. You can cry on my shoulder when the mirror tells us we're older. I will hold you, and I will be here to watch you grow in beauty and tell you all the things you are to me. I will be here. I will be true to the promise I have made to you and to the one who gave you to me. Sure, seasons are made for change, and lifetimes are made for years. So